Molokai is in a very unique position as the first place to even question what goes on in our waters when cruise ship comes. We are in a position to lead the rest of the state into greater awareness and greater action.
Molokai residents who want to prevent cruise liners from stopping at their island today took their fight to the state capitol.
The Northwest Cruise Ship Association represents many of the major cruise lines visiting Hawaii, including the Norwegian Cruise Line. They told a Joint House Committee hearing today they are taking steps to protect the environment, outlined in a Memorandum of Understanding signed with the state last October. The industry says the memorandum will be enough to cover environmental issues for Hawaiian waters, but not everyone is convinced.
I think that when you're talking about environmental regulations, normally you don't do it by agreement. Normally you do it by regulation.
What we have right now is a handshake. It has no teeth. We'd like to see something enforceable and something with penalties.
We just have to make sure that as we grow this industry and as we expand its potential, that we don't trash our environment in the process.
It's a backwards process in which they come first and check out the damage later. That's not how you do business in Hawaii.
Come down with me. Have you ever tripped through reality? Come down with me. Come down and see. Come see what they've done to Waikiki. And ask me why won't you open your eyes? Can't you see we lost our paradise? There's too many people, not enough sand. Can't they see we want our land? And why do I grumble? 'Cause of concrete jungles in a place where people were once humble. Too much one-way signs, you know I think they're blind. They can't even recognize a don't walk sign. Too much hotels, God, it looks like hell. No more Hawaiian style.
There are many ways our island can choose to generate economic growth. We need to create a vision for our island community that we all agree on, that we understand completely, and that helps preserve the unique qualities that make Molokai, Molokai. Let's look to our past for answers, to the name Molokai Pule'o'o, Island of Powerful Prayer. What is the prayer? Who is it for and what does it mean? And why is it so powerful? Perhaps the answer is as simple as aloha. Aloha for our land, aloha for our people, and aloha for our future generations. Perhaps there really is nothing stronger than aloha. Mahalo for your time.
So come down with me. Have you ever tripped through reality? Come down with me. Come down and see. Come see what they've done to Waikiki. And ask me why. Damn it, open your eyes. Can't you see we lost our paradise? There's too many people, not enough sand. Can't they see we want our land? And why do I grumble? 'Cause of concrete jungles in a place where people were once humble. Too much one-way signs, you know I think they're blind. They can't even recognize a don't walk sign. Too much hotels, God, it looks like hell. No more Hawaiian style.
There's a time when the sea gets rough, but the fishes, they just move with the sea. What are you doing, Mr. Man? Every day I watch you move at lightning speed. What you gotta do is sit down, relax, act patiently like the fishes in the sea. You gotta hold on, hold on. You gotta hold on. The fishermen say, big ship sailing on the ocean. Big ship sailing on the ocean. Big ship sailing on the ocean. Fishermen, tell the story again. There's a time when the sea gets